A lot of times when I talk to friends and family about what's important in hiring an attorney, I tell them that there are two things that are most important. The first thing is that you need to hire someone that has a specialization in the area that you need help in. So if you've been arrested, you want to make sure that you hire someone whose focus is on criminal defense work. The second thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that the person that you're hiring to represent you is a person that you feel you have the confidence in to share the things that you need to share regarding the case. And one of the most difficult things for people is that they're afraid to be able to tell their attorney things that they may have done, either out of embarrassment or things of that sort. So it's very important in the attorney-client relationship that the client trusts the attorney enough to tell them their deepest, darkest secrets. And that can take time. A lot of times if you're referred by a client, they come to you and they have a little bit of a sense of who you are, having spoken to the person that referred them. So it makes it a little bit easier. But one of the first things I tell a client when I meet them for the first time is I say, look, when you go to a doctor and you tell a doctor that you have a stomach ache, the doctor's going to look at your stomach. If you don't tell him that you have headaches for the last 4 weeks, he's not going to look at your head. And so he's going to spend his whole time looking at your stomach, and meanwhile you're going to have a problem in your head. So there's nothing more important in the attorney-client relationship than making sure that you're truthful and honest with your attorney. And it goes both ways. The flip side of that is that you have to know that your attorney is being straight with you. And once you lose confidence in your attorney because he's misrepresenting to you what the outcome of a case is going to be, and that's probably the thing that's most common. You go to an attorney, okay, and they promise you a result. You know what? Any attorney who promises you a result in any case, walk out of the office, because that can't happen. And it especially can't happen in any criminal cases because you don't know at that point what the result is going to be. All right? So don't take promises from anyone, all right? What we can do as attorneys is that we can evaluate a case and we can make a determination based on what you've told us. In our experience, and I've been doing this over 30 years now, I can tell you how I think a case may play out. And not with 99% certainty, but after the years that I've been doing it, I have a pretty good feel as to how I think cases, may play out. So I think that that's an important consideration. Experience, someone who's specialized, and developing a trusting relationship on both ends. For the attorney to trust the client and for the client to trust the attorney.